your girl.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing the deaf and mute challenge
And handcuff.
Okay, so basically I'm gonna be blind. I'm gonna be deaf. No, mute. I'm gonna be mute.
I'm gonna be deaf.
I'm gonna be handcuffed.
Okay, so as y'all know, this is a new YouTube channel. My name is Leah.
My name is Karen. My name is Kennedy.
My name is Emma.
And this is the
Okay, so today we're gonna be making cookie dough. This is a red velvet cookie dough.
and then that's regular.
Regular cookie dough. Spray.
Close.
Spray.
2 days later.
Right in front of you. Right. No. No.
Like
wrong
this,
way.
like this, right?
Go down. Push.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
Okay, is this a cookie dough now? Hi, Kennedy. Hi.
How many do you want?
How many do we want?
I want 4.
Okay, so like 10.
Let's
20.
make.
20.
Can I roll one? Can I?
You don't
please-
have to roll it. You just put it on the pan.
Can I please take one? Can you give me one?
Give it to her. It's gonna be oily.
Okay, where's the? Give me another one.
Okay, can you hold on?
Can you give me another one? It's getting sticky. Can I put it right here?
No.
Right here?
Up.
Right here?
Up. Down.
Mhm.
Stop.
Right there? Give me another one.
Hold on.
Can I eat one?
No.
Here, can you give me one? It's getting sticky. Can you give me one?
Can you hold on?
No. Where's the camera? What is this? What is this?
Aluminum.
Aluminum?
Foil. We don't need that.
Oh, it's long.
We don't need it.
Where's the camera? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah.
Yes. I can hear it. What?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's all the way over here?
Yeah.
No, you're lying.
I'm not.
She's just... Okay, I'm sorry. I just want to see that.
I'm gonna smack. Stop. Oh.
Stop. What? Y'all like playing tricks. Who's behind me? That's oh. She's actually dumb. She's actually. Touch me again.
Ow! Why are you hitting me?
Stop.
Ow! What?
Stop.
Who's even
Special.
Fake bodies, fake everything.
Drop it to the floor, make that ass.
I think
Is she running? Is Kari running from me?
Kennedy, the cookies are done. Oh,
Cardi.
it's okay.
Why are you built like that?
Why are you like that?
Why are you that? Well, 10 out of 10.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
I'm starting off the night.
Alright, guys. Bye.
Your girl.